Am I the only one that absolutely hates some AI generated photos? I found these on Facebook. Let's see if the recipe included with this post actually turn out the way they look.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Okay, so here we go. This is the recipe that was attached to that photo of that cookie on Facebook. And it's basically a standard cookie recipe. And I knew that by looking at it. But if you've never baked before or hardly baked, you might think you're going to end up with the cookie that was on your screen. I'm doing a half recipe here because I didn't want a giant batch of these. So I creamed together a cup of butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, and then I beat in 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Blended that in. And then I stirred in 1 1/2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then the thing that makes these special, in quotation marks, 2 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. And once again, I'm doing a half recipe, so you're only seeing half the ingredients. And then I added in a half a cup of chopped pecans because I thought they needed a little extra something. Then you're going to take scoops of this dough and put them on a greased baking sheet or one covered with a silicone mat. I'm using a cookie scoop just so you get uniform shaped cookies. Put them on there. This made about a dozen. Half recipe makes about a dozen cookies. Leave a couple of inches in between them because they do spread a little bit. Bake them at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are lightly brown. And there they are, chocolate chip cookies. And that's exactly what they are. Plain old chocolate chip cookies with a few little Rice Krispies thrown in. Now the Rice Krispies themselves, you can see them on the top of the cookie. They kind of disappear on the inside of the cookie because the color of them and the fact that they kind of blend in with the dough. You can't really taste the Rice Krispies. They don't stay crunchy. They get a little bit chewy. They kind of get lost in the whole cookie. So it's kind of in my opinion, is a waste to put them in there really. Let's take a closer look at this image. It's obviously AI generated. I found it on Facebook, and this whole image is designed to catch your attention because it looks interesting. And you're like, Rice Krispie chocolate chip cookies that look like this, cool. You click on it, you go to the website, you're exposed to the ads that they want you to see, and that's the whole purpose of it. Now let's take a closer look. You can see the edge of these cookies in quotation marks. It looks more like a cracker. And the only way you can get this effect with the cookies if you're using a cookie cutter, and the dough has to be the kind that you can use a cookie cutter on, which is not this recipe. And what are those things on the cookie to the right? They look like little berries, maybe peppercorns, I don't know. And it looks like they're covered in cheese. So be careful when you're looking at images. It might look cool, but sometimes the AI generated stuff is really convincing, and when you go look, it's a total farce and it's not true. It's totally misleading. Anyway, thanks for watching. I feel that YouTube lately has just been overrun with AI images and AI voices on videos, and they're getting millions of views. And it's kind of disheartening a little bit. But if you're looking for non-AI generated, totally human, doable recipes, go ahead and check out this cookie playlist.